Hey guys, so today I got my Softbox. I just ordered it, so I just received it. So join me as I unbox my package and subscribe and like if you like me to continue doing this. To cut the package because I could not find my scissors or razor at that time. So I just said, let me just use what I have. So I'm just, I was just cutting it down, and part of the reasons why I got this was because of I want to start shooting my video with good lighting and good like picture setting and all, so that my videos would look really really nice. So I contacted one of my friends where she's also like a content creator, and she recommended like an Instagram vendor for me, so which I reached out to her and I placed my order, which was really really nice because I placed it yesterday and I got it the next day, like the next day. If you would like to know who or where you can get it, just leave a comment and just leave a comment and I would respond to you. So I got my my softbox light, and I got a mic, and I also got a like a small chargeable light too that I would use as my primary light. So the soft light I mostly I got it for to use as my secondary lights. So now I'm just looking at the the mic so that my voice would be as loud and sharp in my videos. And this is primary light that I got. It's more like a selfie light, but can be used as a primary light. And this is the softbox package. There are three set of things: the bulb. Then this is the softbox umbrella and the bulb. Oh wow! I just tore the pack. And this is the tripod meant for the softbox, where I would hang it and set it up. So I'm just opening the softbox umbrella. Should I call it umbrella? Yeah, like, because it looks like an umbrella. Oh, and wow! So this is Valentine's season. So the vendor just made a sweet gesture and just put a rose, and it smells really good. It's not plastic like those normal plastic filled with dust, but at least smells really good. So that is what comes. That white stuff is what comes with the soft box that I would use to cover the soft box. And this is the soft box where I would put the bulb. It's more like shaped like an umbrella. And this is what I'll use to cover it after fixing the box and all. But I'm really glad that I got this, so now I can make sweet and nice videos, and my lighting would be better than how like it was. Like I don't need to work like do change my background anymore like I used to. So I'm just opening it so that I would see how the light looks like, and it looks nice. It's very very easy. It's very easy to just open, and I love how it is easy to to set up, like according to what the vendor said, that I can just set it up myself. So just watch out for my next video as I would set up this softbox, so you would see how I would set it up, and if you would like to get one for like for yourself, so you would see how I would set it up and start using it and all. And it looks really good. So I'm glad that I got it. I'm just super excited about this. So So let me know if you would like to see me set it up, and let me know also if you would like to know where I got mine. Just comment in the comment section below, and also like and so subscribe and turn up your notifications so that you will get notified the in my next video when I am setting it up, where I'm setting up the softbox. Thank you guys for watching. I'm so glad that you're part of this journey of me getting my primary light and my secondary light, and also joining me in this journey of content creation and exploring like a lot of this with me and all, or look at me just opening it up and just knowing that, yeah, okay, this is what I would use to cover the softbox. By the time I'm done, which is good. If you would like to know or watch me set up the the mic, let me know in the comment section too, so I'll do that too. I kind of like the rose. Thank you. See you. Bye.